So guys, kami maglilinis na naman ng outdoor units. Abay, Mia, bay! Ayun, Mia daw, number 1 na naman daw. Pasensya na guys, puro outdoor ang ating nabibidyuhan. Tsamba-tsamba lang yung pag-video sa indoor unit. Bye, check this one ha, off, off. Check tayo guys. You off now, sir? Why still working? This one working? Yeah, this one before already. Check that one. Yung sipag ng aking kasama, oh. Abay, Mia, bay! Aywa. Hindi mahanap-hanap yung isang unit. Yes, sir.
Okay, now Sala off.
Sala off? Yeah, now off.
No.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I'll turn on the other one, maybe it takes a minute.
Yes, sir, okay.
This one for empty room.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, now it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay, sir, turn off, sir.
Turn off?
Yeah, off, sir, off. Okay, fine na, sir.
Okay.
So yun guys, nahanap na namin yung nawawalang hindi mahanap. Tama ba yan? Nawawalang hindi mahanap. Ayun. Ito, saka yun, isa na yan. Okay, tuloy-tuloy natin ang ating paglilinis ng AC. Yan. Dito kami sa tuktok ng rooftop. Tuktok na nga, rooftop pa eh.